Okay, let's go. Okay, so Carl, we're going to make some spiced mint oil.
Cool.
So what you're going to do is you got your fresh mint.
Yep, little fresh mint.
And you're going to chop that pretty finely.
Yeah, I got some olive oil.
Okay, you've got garam masala.
And garam masala, yep. Here's a little spice. Just get in any supermarket or anything like that. Just.
Okay.
So I've got a little jar here. So what we might do is we might just, once we've made it, pop it into that. Little bowl here. Pop that in there. A little smidgen of garam masala. And my little olive oil. And then it says moisten, but you can do it as much. So you can just see it now. Yep. Okay. See our little, we got our little Cully Sully plates. We've 4 in the range. They're for sale on our website.
Okay, this is our honey, carrot and coriander soup, made in Ireland. And
Cully Sully's. And again, this is just, as we've said, we always say, it's really like, it's like pretend you're dining out. That's what we call it, and that's for good reason.